guys, welcome back. So today when I'm filming this video, it's St. Patrick's Day, which is why I'm wearing this shirt. But check out the back. This is a shirt that I got in Moab. Moab is this really cool place in Utah that happens to be where a lot of fossils are held. It's this really great place and there's dinosaur things everywhere. It's also a lot of good hiking, which is why I got this shirt. But it's perfect for today because today we're starting a story that involves, well, things that are now fossilized. I'm so excited that we get to read this, and I hope you guys are excited too. Open up to lesson 23. The page should look something like this. We're going to start, as we always do, with column 1. Put your finger on column 1, word 1. Yes, you have to say these words out loud. That is the point of this lesson. It is to make you a stronger reader. Just do it. Word 1. Actually, 2 words. Atlantic Ocean. What words? Word 2. Also 2 words. Bermuda Triangle. What words? Word 3. Again, 2 words. Andros Island. What words? Word 4 is Africa. What word? Word 5 is engineer. What word? Great. Column 2 has some words that are a little bit more familiar. I'm going to say the word, you're going to repeat it. Make sure you are looking and following along. It is more important that you are looking at the word than it is to look at me. I promise I can't see that you're looking at me. Column 2, word 1, armor. Second word, dinosaur. Third word, layers. Fourth word, Tyrannosaurus. Fifth word, skeleton. We're going to do the same thing for column 3. First word, earliest. Second word, triceratops. Third word, killers. Fourth word, Mesozoic. Fifth word, explaining. So some of those words were probably easy, and some of them maybe not. If you got tricked up on one, go ahead and go back and try it again. Now look at section B. Follow along as I read. You will be following along just until I stop reading out loud. After I ask you to stop listening, you're going to go from the star to the end of this page, reading aloud. I'll read aloud the first section. You will read aloud the second section. When you read that second section, you need to read either to an adult and have them sign off that you read out loud to them, or record yourself reading and either email it to me or send it to me on Class Dojo. Those are your 2 options. Read that ending to an adult and have them sign off that you read it, or 2, read it, record it, and send it to me. Both of those are options depending on your situation and circumstance at home. Section B, layers of the earth. You learned a rule about piles. Which thing went into the pile earlier? Use the rule about piles to figure out how things happened a long time ago. Let me try that sentence again. If you make a mistake, go back to the beginning of the sentence and try it again. We use the rule about piles to figure out how things happened a long time ago. Phew, that makes so much more sense. Look at picture 1. It shows a large cliff. There are rows of stones and rocks and seashells. Each row is called a layer. The layers are piled up. That means the layers closer to the bottom of the pile came earlier. Which layer went into the pile earlier? Layer C or layer D? When we look at the layers of rock, we find skeletons of animals and shells of animals. In layer B, we find strange fish and other animals that lived many millions of years ago. In layer D, we find the skeletons of horses. Near the bottom of layer D, we find horses that are no bigger than dogs. Near the top of layer D, we find horses that are as big as the horses of today. When we look at layer C, we find the skeletons of some very strange animals. These are dinosaurs. Some of the dinosaurs were much bigger than elephants. Other dinosaurs had great spikes on their tails. No dinosaurs are alive today. The only place we find their bones is in one of the layers underground. That is layer C. But we can't find dinosaur bones in layer B. We can't find them in layer D. The layers of... Yep, they put the star in the middle of a sentence. You're going to read from that star to the ending, either out loud to an adult and having them sign off, or recording yourself and sending it to me. When you're done, you have some questions to answer. It says to write them on a separate piece of paper. But if you do not have a separate piece of paper or a notebook, you can write your answers directly into your packet. Whichever way works best for you is fine with me. Have a great day, you guys.